Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A307 double joist bracket flat for the A110 profile. So this is very similar to the A207, but it's the A307. Let's take a look and see how they differ. Once again, we've got the QR code on the box, so if you're on site unsure of how to install any components, scan that with your phone. It'll take you through to a video like this. So the A307 comes with 20 in the box. Let's have a look inside. Once again, we've got the A401 box of screws. You've got 20% extra screws. Let's take a look at these brackets. I've got the A307 and the A207. You can see here that they're very similar brackets. They've got a very similar shape here, but the A207 clips into all the profiles that have that channel. So this is the A120, A130, A140, A150 profiles is where this A207 is used for. Let's have a look at the A307. This is where we have the A110 profile, so for the ultra low height profiles, and this is where this profile is used with the flat side up, and we have the flat double joist bracket there for your screwing off your hardwoods or your surface fixed composites. Let's talk screws. This is the A401 screw. It's our most common screw. It comes in a box of 50 and it's included with all the Qwickbuild frame components in the box. So you get 20% extra screws and you don't have to calculate these individually. It's already included with the components that you're purchasing. So it is a self-drilling screw. It is a 5/8 length for those of you that are using standard measurements and a 16mm for those using metric. It's a 304 stainless steel screw with an electrophoresis coating, which means it takes it up to about a 316 in terms of its corrosion resistance. Now the head of the screw is a 3/8 hex head, and that just happens to fit perfectly in with the 3/8 driver that we provide. It's a one-handed operation, so you can use this and just drill it straight into the bracket. The other attributes around it is that it actually has a self-drilling tip on it, which means that you've got no pre-drilling required. The other attribute is that it's got a rubber shoulder washer, which is actually soft. Not that soft, but you can see my fingernail digging into it. But what that means is that it acts as a shoulder washer. It isolates the screw from the bracket, but it beds the screw really nicely into the profile when you're screwing it in. So that is the A401 self-drilling screw that comes with all the components. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.